Enabling or disabling send read receipts on your iPhone 15 allows you to control whether others are notified when you've read their messages, balancing communication transparency with personal privacy preferences. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Messages. Scroll down until you find Send Read Receipts. Tap the toggle switch next to Send Read Receipts to turn it on or off. When enabled, people will be notified when you've read their messages. This applies to all conversations. If you disabled this feature, others won't be notified when you've read their messages. Once you've made your selection, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Remember, this setting affects all conversations, giving you control over your messaging privacy across the board. And that's it. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.